Hey everyone, welcome back to Mind Matters. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform your presence in any situation: how to appear confident. Whether it's a job interview, a social gathering, or a presentation, projecting confidence is key. Let's get started. 1. Dress well. First things first, dressing appropriately can significantly boost your confidence. Wear something that makes you feel powerful and comfortable. Confidence often starts with how we present ourselves. 2. Maintain good posture. Confidence begins with your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, and head held high. Good posture not only makes you look more confident, but it also affects how you feel about yourself. 3. Use strong body language. Utilize strong body language. Maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and have a firm handshake. These non-verbal cues signal confidence to others. 4. Speak clearly and assertively. Confidence is also reflected in how you speak. Speak clearly, with a strong and steady voice. Don't rush, take your time, and articulate your words with confidence. 5. Know your material. Preparation is key. Whether it's a presentation or a casual conversation, knowing your material inside and out boosts your confidence. Research, practice, and be ready to share your knowledge. 6. Focus on positivity. Stay positive. Optimism and a smile can do wonders for your confidence. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and the journey ahead. A positive mindset is infectious and attracts others to your confident aura. Remember, confidence is a skill that can be developed over time. Apply these tips, practice them regularly, and watch your confidence soar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more informative content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.